For visa application, most of the embassy require their applicants to show a confirmed hotel booking or a confirmed proof of accommodation. So, which is why on this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a legit and confirmed hotel booking reservation which you can use for your visa application. So, bakit nga ba nire-require ng mga embassy na merong ma-provide si applicant na proof of accommodation or yung mga approved hotel booking? It's because they wanted to know if kaya ba ni applicant i-support yung stay niya sa Europe, especially for those tourists. Kasi if you have a confirmed hotel booking, at least the consul, the embassy will know that during your whole stay, you will not have a problem, the country will not have a problem with you, and you're financially capable of supporting your stay in Europe. The only problem for most of you is that alam ko ang daming hesitant to book a confirmed hotel booking reservation kasi nga mahal. And what if your visa application got denied and sayang lang yung mga ginastos mo sa pagbubook ng mga hotel? Guys, when applying for a visa, hindi mo kailangan mag-book or magbayad agad ng hotel reservation. It's like with dummy ticket. I did create a video before on how you can book a dummy ticket which you can use for your visa application. Now, meron ding tinatawag na dummy hotel booking wherein you can get a hotel reservation without really paying for it. There are a lot of agencies that are doing this, katulad din ng ino-offer ko sa service ko with visa consultation. So, if you are someone that is not very techy, I mean, syempre, some of you might not be able to have their own laptop, some of you might not even have their own debit credit card to use for booking, or some of you is parang hindi ganun kagagamay gumamit ng internet, nakakalitong mag-book by yourself. So, there are three ways that you can do. The first one is if you wanted, let's say, a free accommodation and you do have a friend in Europe or a family member, a sister, a brother, parents, grandparents, you have a boyfriend, a girlfriend, and they're willing to give you a free accommodation. With that, hindi mo na kailangan ng hotel reservation. All you need to do is to get a proof of invitation, which is yung invitation letter together with supporting documents from your host that is legally living in Europe or in any Schengen countries. Again, guys, only those people that is legally living, as in may papel na resident or citizen ng Schengen ang pwedeng mag-invite sa inyo. So, pag meron kayong invitation letter, that is your proof of accommodation. The second way is for you to book directly dun sa mga website ng mga hotel or mga hostels. There are also a lot of sites that you can get a hotel reservation, and I would personally suggest doing it in booking.com. And I heard, actually hindi ko pa nagagawang mag-book with Agoda, but I do have a lot of people na nagbo-book through Agoda because booking.com and Agoda pareho lang yan sila na nag-o-offer ng free booking for hotel reservation. Which is why later I will be teaching you kung paano ka ginagawa yung pagbubuko ng mga hotel. The last option that you can do is for those people na walang sariling credit card, walang sariling debit card, walang sariling laptop or computer, or hindi marunong mag-book online. What you can do is go to any travel agency that is, let's say, malapit sa inyo or merong mga suggested, trusted travel agency. Pwede din yung mga online visa consult na nagpo-provide ng service. Sila yung magbubook sa inyo ng hotel reservation. This is actually the easiest way and hassle-free na wala ka nang ibang gagawin, and they will just do the booking, they will use their own credit, debit card, and then they will just provide you yung pinaka print out confirmation, and which is really, really good if you're someone that doesn't have time to do all these things. So, yun yung tatlong pwede mong gawing option. Kung alin man yung pinakamabilis sa iyo. So, for today, I'm going to answer the most common question that I keep on receiving sa mga applicants ko. And I'm also going to share to you kung paano ako mag-book ng mga hotel. So, the first question is, can I get an actual hotel booking for Schengen visa application without paying? Of course, you can do that. With me, kasi ang lagi kong ginagamit is booking.com. In a while, I will try to book one hotel with Agoda and get a confirmation, and I'm going to show you yung step-by-step step para meron kayong pagbasihan. Alright, so yung first na itatry natin is yung booking.com. So this is the website that I always use whenever I book hotels ng mga visa applicant na nagpapatulong sa akin. And ito rin yung website na talagang trusted na naming mag-asawa. So ito yung ginagamit namin sa lahat ng mga travels namin. So all you need to do is go to booking.com and then it will bring you to this page.
So from here, it will ask you for the location or yung place or country na gusto mong puntahan para magbakasyon. And it will ask for the travel dates and it will ask for how many people will be staying dun sa hotel na ibubuk mo. Now, you need to choose which place. For example, ako gusto kong pumunta ng Greece. Now, once I type Greece, there are a lot of options where you can choose from. Ako, ang gusto kong puntahan is Santorini. So, I will choose that. And then it will ask for the travel date. So let's say I wanted to go there from February 14 to February 21. So parang Valentine dates, ganon. And then after you choose for the date, it will ask for how many people. So since me and Arthur, there will be 2 people and then 1 room. After that, just click search. After you click search, it will bring you to a page where it will show all the hotels, hostels, apartments that is available for booking in Santorini. Ang maganda sa booking.com, meron silang options or meron silang recommendations na ibibigay sa inyo kung ano yung pinakamura, yung pinaka-best reviewed, or kung ano yung best for couples. So from here, all you need to do is scroll down from this page and look for the reservation policy. Under reservation policy, there are 3 options. Yung free cancellation, book without credit card, and no prepayment. So most of the time, chine-check ko yung tatlo. So it will provide me yung mga hotels na pwede kong i-book without payment. So for now, check natin yung first, yung free cancellation. And it will give you all the hotels na pwede mong i-book without paying for it.
Pero ako madalas ang sine-check ko free cancellation at saka yung book without credit card. So for hotel reservation, free cancellation, ito na lahat ng hotels na pwede kong i-book without paying for it agad-agad.
So here, makikita mo agad, magpo-provide sila ng kung ano yung pinaka-best option for you. So you can choose here lowest price first and it will bring you the hotels that you can book na mura. So, ang hahanapin mo lang dito is yung word na free cancellation na hotel. So, let's say this Hotel Fira Living Cave Room. And it will show you all the rooms available to this hotel. And if you scroll down, you will be able to confirm na hindi mo agad kailangan magbayad agad-agad kasi may makikita ka na free cancellation.
I-add mo tong no prepayment, tapos ito ulit, bibigyan ka ulit ng list of hotels na pwede mong i-book with free cancellation plus no prepayment needed. So ako, i-book ko ang Tabros Villa. So here, ang gagawin, pipili ka ng room. I choose 1 double bed. Ito yung price and ito yung kailangan yung inote. So, click nyo lang 1 room and then click I'll reserve.
And here in this page, ito na yung hotel na pinili mo. So, it will ask for your personal details. So, it will ask if you're traveling for work. All you need to do is say no. If naman you're traveling for work, then click yes and then provide all the information na nire-request nila. Mabilis na naman to since personal information. And then click next, final details. And from this page, it will just ask for the phone number. So, just provide everything that they're asking. And then it will ask how you would like to pay. So, there's like 3 options. So, you would need to choose yung pay at the hotel or yung pay at the property.
Your card details. So, this is only for guarantee ng hotel booking. Gusto lang nilang makita na meron kang pangbayad pero hindi ka nila i-charge.
So, from here, processing na, and then they were able to confirm your booking and it will give you the details. And all you need to do now is just print it on your end. So, just click here, print booking, and then, ito yung pinaka-papel na ibibigay nyo sa embassy. Ito yung pinaka-booking details. Ang pinakamahalaga dito is yung confirmation number at saka PIN code kasi i-check nila yan. So, for you to know kung kailan mo siya pwedeng i-cancel, just scroll down on this page and makikita nyo yung cancellation cost. So, you can cancel it for free within 3 days. If you exceed, let's say lumagpas February 8, pwede ka nilang i-charge. The same with other hotels.
The second question that I keep on receiving is that, do I have to confirm my hotel booking? Yes, guys. As a general rule, you should be careful checking if your confirmation number is valid. Kasi i-check po yan ng mga console. So, if i-check nila yung mga confirmation letter and the number is invalid, hindi naman talaga naka-book under sa name nyo, then pwede kayong magkaroon ng problema and i-consider nila yon as fraudulent hotel booking. So, I would advise that you look for hotels na ang cancellation is, let's say, matagal. Kasi pag nag-reserve ka ng free, meron lang siyang specific time frame na pwede kang mag-cancel. Let's say, for this hotel, ang cancellation nila is free after 30 days. But then you forgot to cancel the reservation and tumungtong na ng 31 or 32 days. Automatic, pwedeng ma-charge yung card na ginamit nyo pag-reserve ng hotel. You might not be charged for the full amount, but you might be charged for, let's say, half or 1/4 of the price of the hotel if hindi mo siya makakancel. Which is why, guys, I advise that you look for hotels na matagal ang cancellation and only cancel the hotel reservation after you get your visa result. Once na dumating na yung visa nyo, approved man or denied, especially lalo pag denied yung visa nyo, please do cancel lahat ng hotels na binook nyo to make sure na hindi ma-charge yung card na ginamit nyo pag reserve ng mga hotel na to. Because based on my experience na charge yung mga card ko while booking some of my applicants, nalimutan ko and it was really hard to get a refund. So, the last question is, when do I have to pay the whole amount of money for my accommodation? This is optional. Kayong bahala kung gusto nyong ituloy or gusto nyong gamitin yung hotel na binook nyo. Again, with this hotel booking, this is only for visa purposes, which is why hindi nyo agad kailangan magbayad on the spot nung hotel reservation. Most of it you can pay pag nasa hotel na kayo. So if, let's say, your visa got approved and you really wanted to stay on that hotel, then you don't really need to do anything. You don't need to cancel it and wala nang confirmation na need na gawin kasi confirm na nga yun. Legit na hotel booking talaga itong gagawin natin. So all you need to do is go to that hotel and then sa check-in nyo, and then you just pay pagdating nyo na doon. So for those hotel na hindi nyo gagamitin, cancel it. For those hotel that you wanted to keep, just keep it. So doon na kayo magbabayad. And that's it. So I do hope that you find this video helpful. I hope na may natutunan kayo kung paano kayo makakapag-book sa end nyo ng hotel reservation. Now guys, if in the future you do need help making a day-to-day itinerary, if you're planning to tour around Europe pag natapos na tong pandemic na to and you wanted to have your own personalized itinerary, you can avail my service. I will have my website in the description below. You can get my personalized day-to-day itinerary. It will also include free hotel accommodation, which is ito na yung pinrovide ko. Hindi free yung hotel, free hotel reservation. So, wala na kayong problemahin doon. Ako nang magbubook and I will also be the one canceling it. Ang gagawin ko na lang is ipoprovide ko lahat ng kailangan nyo. So, please do visit my website. And guys, if you do have any question regarding this video, topic, or if you have any question regarding your visa application, please do have it in the comment section below. I'll try to answer it, and you can also send direct message to me. My email and my Facebook is in this description. You can message me there. And please guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and that bell button to be updated sa mga upcoming ko pang mga videos. So I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye!